Let's walk through a quick demonstration of the AgentQL SDK or Software Development Kit. Today, I'm going to be looking for housing, so I'm here on Zillow. And instead of browsing through pages and pages of listings, I'm going to save myself time and grab all of this data to narrow down my search and evaluate options. First, I type in my desired location and return those results. Now I've specified here over in the right that I want to collect the following data: the price of the listing, the address, the number of bedrooms, and the date posted. So I'm going to run this and wait a few moments to return results. And here they are. I can see that this is the same information that I would find on page, but now I have a full view of all relevant listings. With this, I have quickly and efficiently narrowed down my home search.